Hello, in this video we are going to use rank function. So you can see my data. Here is my name, my class and the marks obtained, and I want the rank by ascending order. So how can I do it? I'll simply go to the cell and hit equal to, and then I'll write a rank and hit tab. You can see the third line cell. I will click this rank and tab. After that I'll select this cell and comma, and my reference will be all of this obtained marks of this total, and I'll fix this by clicking F4 function, F4. Otherwise you can enter manually by the $sign. So I have used simple, just clicking the F4 function and comma, and I want it in ascending order, so I will hit 1 and close the parenthesis and hit enter, and you can see this is my rank number 6. And if I drop down here, you can see my number ascending order is smallest number is 250 and my highest number is 13. So if I sort by here smallest to largest, you can see here my starting rank is used by this. So 650 is my 13th rank number and 250 is my rank number 1. So if I change 1 to 0 here, then you can see this is my 13 number, and if I drop down here, you can see here my rank is sorted by descending order. So in this way you can use this function rank. So I hope you found this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates.